This is a Niceveedi studio light kit. It is perfect for gaming, live streaming, as well as taking videos or photography because it provides a really good amount of light to whatever setting is that you're trying to record or take a photo of. So this is powered by USB-C, and on the wire for it you have the control, so you could either dim the brightness or turn it up. You'll of course also have the power button, and you could change the warmth of the color that you would like. So you have fully warm, as you can see, and you could change it to be a little bit cooler like this. So one of the main reasons why I decided to get this is because how portable it is. Yes, it is a fully built tripod, but it is super easy to take down. Simply just go ahead and start unscrewing this, so you could loosen up this pull and simply just pull it down. And then down here it folds up. So you could go from this to this in just like 2 minutes tops. And to take off the light, you simply just go ahead and unscrew this part right here, and then it should be able to detach the light. Then I almost forgot to mention, but you could also swivel the light side to side like so. So if you're looking into recording or taking pictures and you need some good lighting, I definitely suggest getting this for yourself. It's portable, easy to set up, and honestly really easy to use, and you also have those different color options as well.